ready for this, Bruce?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Go ahead, push yours in. Whoa. I'll help you get in. Let me that end. Okay. It's cold. It's gonna be cold. Go get in. Get comfy and then I'll push you. Let's go, purple tarpon. Let's have some fun. Oh, yes. Oh, manatees, Bruce!
Oh, the manatees are over there now.
Just paddle lightly so you don't hit them. Lightly and slowly so you don't hit. Just stay still. Look at this one. He's coming our way. Look at him.
I heard something behind me and assumed it was a gator, right?
I told you they have manatees.
Right there.
Look at him. Oh, oh,
Oh,
uh-oh.
I'm gonna hit it. Oh no, okay.
No.
Oh no. Oh!
Do not get too close. He's crossing. You see, he's crossing. He's just crossing. Just wait there till he crosses, okay? This place is full of gators, so get used to it. So now we gotta load up. Ready, Bruce, to load? Very busy, got very busy quickly.